Hello everyone, it's Monday the 22nd of February 2021 and it is maths time, so you might be able to work out from my front slide here a little bit of a clue what we're going to be talking about in maths today. So we are going to be revisiting our knowledge and understanding of place value. Well, what do I mean by place value? So let's just have a little think all together. Well, if I'm talking about place value, I immediately need to start talking about tens, don't I? Get my typing up. Tens. And if I'm talking about tens, I need to talk about ones, don't I? Oh, but let's not forget hundreds either. So they are keywords, aren't they? They are keywords all relating to place value. What else can we talk about if we talk about place value though? Well, we could talk about the fact that it has to go into columns, just like our column addition, doesn't it? Or column subtraction. Okay, we could also talk about the fact that you can partition it. You can partition it into its tens, hundreds, ones, values, etc. We could also talk about the fact that you could use a part-whole model. Oh no, we don't want that, do we? There we go. Talk about the fact that we've got a part-whole model. And we could also talk about the fact that it definitely involves our knowledge of our 10 times table, doesn't it? Because we know that 10 ones equals 110. And we know that 10 tens equals 100, okay? So they are all features of place value that we are going to be investigating today. So we're going to be completing a place value quiz today as a little bit of a baseline so that we know what you can remember relating to your place value knowledge, okay? So hopefully children at home, you've been able to download the document and you've now got it, and I will talk you through the questions. So question number 1 says, 106 can be described as having 100, 0 tens and 6 ones. It can also be described as having 10 tens and 6 ones because 10 tens equals 100. We've just talked about that, haven't we, on the vocab page. So using this explanation, can you complete this table below? And the first one's been done for you. So the example that's given is that 176 has got 17 tens and 6 ones. Can you use that knowledge there and this knowledge we've got from up here to complete the other sets of numbers there? Okay, so that's question 1. Question 2 says, what is the underlying number worth in each of these numbers? So as you can see, these 3 numbers have all got a number underlined. Can you write on the 3 lines what each of these is worth? And then question 3 says continue the following number strings. So we've got 56, 66, 76, and you've got to complete the next 3 numbers. And then you've got 234, 334, and can you complete the next 3 numbers? And then you've got 899, 799, and can you complete the next 3 numbers in that number string as well? And then if we move on, question 4 says, can you fill in the missing numbers on the number lines below? So as you can see, there's 3 different number lines there, and you need to work out which numbers are missing in the boxes that there are there. So on this one, what number should be here? So you can see you've got 850 there, and you've got 950 there. What number should go there? And then on this one, we've got 70 here, and we've got 90 here. What number should go there? And then this one's slightly different because we've got a bit more information above. It says this number here is 29, but they're telling us that we need to add 9 there. Oh, and we need to add 9 there, but you now need to work out what those numbers are, okay? Question 5 says, can you correctly match the values below? 1 has been done for you, and as you can see, they've told us that 20 add 8 is exactly the same as 10 add 18. And we know that's true because they both equal 28, don't they? So you now need to complete the other ones there. Okay, question 6 says, can you correctly match the numbers below? So I'm not going to read them because that might give the game away to you. There's one number there, one number there, one number there, and one number there. And you need to match those numbers to their numerical values below, okay? And then for question 7 today, you've got some signs there. And I'm sure you know what those signs all mean. Think about our Charlie crocodiles. And you need to use those to complete these pictures below here. So we've got some numbers, and then you've got a box, and you've got to decide which one of those goes into there. And then to finish the quiz today, you've got a couple of questions that you need to answer. So question 8 says, if I sit 40 children around 10 tables, how many children can I sit around 100 tables? And can you explain how you know? So think of your knowledge of place value. Think back to that vocabulary slide we started with. So if I can sit 40 around 10 tables, how many children could I sit around 100 tables? And then you need to explain your answer. And then another similar question is number 9, and it says, Tina says she can share her collection of 100 stickers into 4 albums equally. Her friend Priya says she can share them into 5 equally. Who's correct? And explain how you know. So there's 100 stickers, and Tina says she can share them into 4 albums, but Priya says she can share them into 5 albums. Who is correct, and can you explain how you know, please? Okay, so they are your maths slides, my darlings. I hope you got on all right with them. I look forward to seeing your work later. See you all later. Bye-bye.